I'm Terriell and welcome to day 8 of your 30-day Pilates journey. Today we are going to be practicing some concentration with your Pilates. As you may know, concentration is one of the 6 principles of Pilates, and it is super important. The more you concentrate on what your body is doing, the more you can calm your mind like we did yesterday, and the more efficient and effective your workouts will be. So with that said, let's get started. I'm going to have you spin around to the front edge of your mat, lie down on your back. So go ahead and pull your knees into your chest and lift your head, neck, and shoulders. You know what's coming. It's the 100. We'll take the legs up to the sky and the arms long by your sides. And then you get to choose where you set your legs, which diagonal, up, down. I'm going to go a little shallow today. So let's begin to pump the arms up and down, breathing in and breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In with the air and out with the air. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. Now we start to concentrate on what you're doing, reaching your fingertips long towards the wall in front of you. Pulling your belly down as deeply as you can, working your scoop of the abs to the spine. Zipping your thighs really tight together and squeezing your heels, letting your toes come slightly apart, really working the squeeze of the inner thighs and the hamstrings and the seat. 2 more breaths here. And exhale. 1 more breath in. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold. And then pull your knees in to rest your head down. Good. From here, we'll take the legs long out onto the mat and then pull your right knee into your chest to start some single leg circles. Love this exercise for concentration. So we'll take the legs straight up to the ceiling and just pull it in towards you a little bit. Press your palms long by your sides, opening your chest, and externally rotate that leg. Let's cross it over. Circle it down and around and up. Now, what are we concentrating on? Keeping everything stable as the leg circles with control. Cross and around and up. 2 more and around and up. 1 more time and around, hold it. Let's reverse the direction to the outside, cross over and up. Good, 4. 3 more. Keep pressing your arms down, your shoulders. Relax, chest open. Last one, hold the leg to the ceiling. Send it all the way out with control to the mat. Now hug the other knee into the chest here. And then send it out to the ceiling, just stretching it long, giving it a nice, easy stretch. Externally rotate the thigh. The heel points in towards your midline. Press your palms down by your sides. Start to circle across and around and up. Holding the body steady as you circle. Now work your abs. That'll help you stabilize. Good. 2 more. 1 more time, across and around, and hold it. Now reverse to the outside, cross over and up. Out, across and up. 3 more times here. Last 2. 1 more time, hold the top, and then send it all the way down to the mat. Oh, that's tough. Now reach your arms up to the ceiling, lift your head, and roll up through your spine. We'll come to a seated position, stretching forward. Okay, now from here, I want you to scoot a little bit forward for your rolling like a ball. You'll pull your heels in close to your seat, grab onto your ankles, and find a balance. Good. Now staying up here, just drawing your chin down, concentrate on your round spine, pulling your rib cage back, your belly in, pulling your tailbone under just ever so slightly so that this balance is hard to hold. Now bend your elbows to the side to pull your heels in closer. And let's rock back. Now, keep your heels close to your seat as you rock back and up. Try not to let your thighs come away from your chest either. Rock back and up. Ooh, concentrate on that balance. Let's go back and up. 2 more times. Rock it back and up. 1 more here. Take it back all the way up. Good. Now, from here, let's roll down onto the mat. Pull your right knee into your chest and send your left leg long. We'll pull this in. 1, 2, switch sides. 1, 2, switch sides. Pull, pull, switch your legs. Pull, pull. Now concentrate on your bottom leg, reaching it out, long and strong, squeezing your seat on the bottom and bending your elbows to the side as you pull that top leg in. A few more each side. Good, now one more to the right and the left. Let's bend the knees and lower the head down in between. Good. Now from here, we'll take it all the way up to a seated position and then reach the legs out long in front of you. Now from here, we're just gonna press the palms down next to your hips, lift your chest up, tall through the spine. Now concentrate on squeezing your seat to give you an extra inch, lengthening out through your arms to unweight your spine just a little bit, and then seeing if you can drop those shoulders down with the action of pushing your arms down into your mat, growing taller as the arms get longer. Good, now keep the height in your spine and just float your arms forward. Now walk your legs together. And then start to roll down through your spine, bone by bone, inch by inch. Now we'll work the concentration here, going to the low back and holding. Now what are your legs doing? Your heels are together, your toes are apart. You're squeezing your inner thighs like you're holding a business card in between your heels. Don't let it go. And then go ahead and go down a couple more inches, maybe to your lowest rib. Pull your abs in, I know. It burns a little. Come down a little bit further. Keep your shoulders off the mat though. And then to the tips of the shoulder blades, keep your head up. Good, and then drop your head down and reach your arms all the way back. Let's roll up all the way. Peeling your spine off the mat, squeezing your legs. Go ahead and round forward. And we'll do that one more time. Taking it back, pulling your waist in. Go back to the waistband of your pants, working your scoop. Good. Now hold here. Make sure you're squeezing your legs, your shoulders relaxed, concentrating on what you're doing. Go down just a little bit further, pulling your belly in, and a little bit more. Hang on, don't fall back. And now to the tips of the shoulder blades. Keep your head up, pull your belly in. Drop your head back, reach your arms behind you. Roll up through your spine, stretch it forward. Don't worry, I won't make you do that again. And now we're just gonna bend the knees and step them on to the mat here. Let's keep the legs open with the hands behind the backs of your thighs. Now from here, we'll tip back onto the tailbone, finding a balance, floating your feet off the floor. I want you to think rolling like a ball, just more open. And then lift your chest up to the ceiling. We want to be more or less with a flat back with your abs scooping in. Now let's reach the right leg up to the sky. Hold your balance. Bend the knee. Lift the left leg up to the sky. Hold your balance. Bend the knee. Now see if you can reach both legs up to the ceiling and just hold. Now think of lifting the chest and relaxing your shoulders as you scoop your abs in and reach those toes up to the ceiling. If this feels easy, you can walk your hands up to your ankles and find the balance. So hands anywhere from backs of thighs to ankles. We'll breathe in with a flat back and then exhale and just round the spine a little bit, pulling your tail slightly under, drawing your chin down, working a deeper scoop. And then inhale, lift that chest tall, drawing your shoulders down. 2 more like that. Round your back, pulling tail under, drawing your chin down. And then lifting up and up and up. 1 more time. Round through your back. Keeping that balance. Don't fall backward. Whatever you do, concentrate. Lift the chest up. Holding, holding, holding. And then from there, you can bend your knees and set your feet down onto the mat. Okay, 1 more exercise today to really get that concentration in. I'm gonna have you lie down on one side, line yourself up with one edge of your mat. And from here, you'll pick your legs up and just send them slightly forward. And now press that front palm in front of your belly here. The top leg will lift an inch or so. And now I want you to really concentrate on your shoulders on top of your hips. Shoulder on top of shoulder, hip on top of hip. So if you feel yourself going like this or like this and this, not concentrating, keep it concentrated, keep it tight. Now take your leg and send it forward as far as you can without letting that hip come forward. Think of sticking your tailbone out. And then send the leg back behind you as if you're pushing something heavy away with your heel. Pull your abs in. Try not to let that hip reach backward. Just keep squeezing your seat, only the leg moves. And we'll go forward again with the leg. Front. And reach back. Keep scooping your abs in. Whew, 3 more. Send it forward, stretching out that hamstring. And then reach it back. See how much you can make your seat and your hamstring work back here. Really squeeze it. Press it against an imaginary wall behind you. And 1 more time, 2 more times actually, to the front. Reach it all the way back. Reach, abs in, reach, abs in, reach. 1 more time, we'll send that leg forward. And reach it all the way back. Good. Rest that leg down. Now let's flip to the other side, lining your body up. And then picking your legs up, just sending them slightly forward. Now from here, we'll take that top leg, lift it, abs are tight. Now reach the leg forward. And then reach it all the way back, squeezing your seat, pulling your abs in tight, reaching, that chest is open. Yes, and then we'll send the leg forward. And then reach it all the way back, opening the chest wide, reaching 3, 2, 1. You have 3 more of these, keeping the shoulders and the hips from moving. Seriously, don't let them move. And then reach it back, concentrating on a long, strong leg. Abs tight, chest open, gaze forward. 2 more, to the front. And then reach it all the way back. Whew, 1 more time, send it forward. And then squeeze that seat to push that leg behind you. Reach, reach, reach. Good, and then go ahead and relax that leg. All right, and you are all done with day 8 of your 30-day Pilates challenge. I will see you on the mat tomorrow for day 9. Bye for now.